So the crypto market is pumping. We've got some green bubbles here, 76.2% on Lunar Sea, 74.1% on Ravencoin, and the market's been tanking this week. Due a little bit of a pullback coming into Sunday over the weekend, but it's looking like we're pretty bullish overall. So nice to see some crypto gains this week. And welcome to Crypto Bullseye. This is the first and only channel which allows the community, allows the subscribers, the viewers to choose what content we create for the next video. How do you do that, guys? Get yourself onto the Crypto Bullseye YouTube channel. You'll see there's a community tab here. And this week you've asked for how to implement Fibonacci into your trading strategy. So trading tutorial video again this week shows you exactly what our community is about, what our community wants, and get yourself on there for the next video. Your choice for the next video, Crypto Bullseye Family, how to apply strong levels of support and resistance. If you want shorter and more frequent videos of individual cryptocurrencies, let me know. Or if you'd like full top-down crypto market analysis on a variety of tokens, let me know. So stay tuned right to the end of this episode, guys, because I'm going to show you what the 4 Ps are in trading and how you can implement the 4 Ps into your trading strategy, how it can benefit you. So stay tuned right to the end for that. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified when we release our newest content. And everyone that is subscribed, thank you very much, guys. Welcome back to the show. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I've got the Ethereum chart up here for a change, got the Ethereum chart on the 6 hour, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the Fibonacci tool. So the 2 tools that we're going to use is the Fibonacci Retracement tool and the Fibonacci extension tool. And one thing that I do need to say is each trader is different. Each trader uses these tools differently, and you need to find out what works well for you. So I'm going to give you an example of how I use the Fibonacci tools and what works well for me. But more importantly, as part of your trading plan, as part of your trading structure, you shouldn't just use the Fibonacci tools in isolation. So if you watch this channel, if you're a regular subscriber on the channel, you know, first and foremost, most important thing to me is structure. So I add in my structure from a higher time frame, and that gives me an idea of where I'd like to take targets, where my Fibonacci levels can give me higher confluence if they do meet those support and resistance levels. And I'm not going to show you that in this video, guys. I'm just going to show you the actual Fibonacci itself. But I just wanted to clarify that. There's other things and there's other tools in play to implement things into your trading plan, into your trading strategy, to make it more successful and give you a higher probability that it's going to work. So first and foremost, I'll add in my structure, support and resistance. And before we do anything, what's the thing that we teach you on the channel? First and foremost, before we implement anything, is identify the trend. So you can see we're in a bullish trend here in this example on Ethereum, and I'm just going to bring up the tools. Now, the first tool I'm going to show you guys is the Fibonacci Retracement tool. So where'd you find that? If you've got a free TradingView account or a paid TradingView account, it's on the left-hand side, GAN and Fibonacci tools. So click that and you'll see the 2 options at the top, Fib Retracement, trend-based Fib extension. So these are the 2 that I use regularly. And if you just click the star button, it'll be added to the toolbar on your favorites down here. So I've got both of those up, and first one we're going to use is the retracement tool. So identify the trend, guys, identify the trend. We're in a bullish upwards trend in this example. If we were in a bearish trend, it'd be the opposite. So swing low, swing high. And you can see how these levels are respected as you move up to, as you continue with the trend. So swing low to swing high, you've had a 50% retracement. You've had a strong candle wick to the upside from here, and a move to the upside. You've made a new swing high, come back down, tested the 236 in this instance, but you can see how these levels hold as they go up. So just as an example, these things move in harmony, the market moves in harmony, and you can see The reason why you get A, B equals C, D patterns, the reason why you get these harmonic patterns is because the market does move in symphony. So just from that swing low to swing high, you can see that if we move this up to the next swing low to swing high, the levels are still holding. You've had a reaction at this level here. You've come back down. You've tested the 236. And you can see this is the reason why the markets do move in harmony. So a swing low to the extreme swing high in this case. Markets come back down, 0.5, tested the 0.5 level, and it's created a head and shoulders pattern here, which is a signal and a reversal. So you've had the pullback, head and shoulders pattern here, reversal signal, and huge move to the upside. So that's how you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we'll have a look at the extension now. So the extension, you'll see it looks like this. Just added it to the toolbar, trend-based fib extension, and similarly to the retracement, you're going to swing low to swing high and then back down to the swing low. And you can see exactly the same as the previous one, how these levels hold. So it's come back down, it's tested the 0.5, you've got another swing to the upside, and because it's an extension, we're using this for forecasting targets. So we've had the pullback, 618 again in this instance, and we're looking for targets. The targets that I use on the extension tool is the 1272 and the 1618. Those are the ones that seem to hold best in the crypto market, depending on what pairs that you're using. But those are the ones that do hold for me. So similarly to the retracement tool, an extension will look like this for you guys when you first open it. Extension tool will look like that. And again, I just pick my levels, the ones that work for me, and get rid of the background. I just like to have clean charts myself personally. So you'll see as we go up as well, if I just move this across, so you'll see as we move up, how these levels are continuously holding. You've got the 1618, huge reaction from that, broke straight through it, and then a reaction and come back down. You've got the head and shoulders pattern here, short-term reversal. You've got a bit to the upside, had reaction from the 618 again, and then interestingly, reaction to the 2618. You've had a reaction here from the 3618. And the 4236. And didn't manage to get to the 4618. So you can see why these levels are holding, and the reason why these are holding is it's a psychological reason that a lot of traders, institutions, people that are playing the markets all use Fibonacci tools, and this is the reason why these levels stick. On a higher time frame, they stick even more because more people are using them and more people are observing them, so they stick better on a higher time frame. But what I suggest is you guys have a look at implementing your own structure. And if you don't know how to do that, go and have a look in the Crypto Bullseye community channel, because that's one of the options for the next video, how to apply strong levels of support and resistance. I can show you guys how to do that and how you can implement that with your Fibonacci strategy, how you can apply it to other indicators, oscillating indicators of overbought and oversold. We can create a trading plan together, guys. So let me know what it is that you want. It's not up to me what I choose next. It's up to the community. Okay, as promised, the 4 Ps, how do you implement this into your trading plan? Well, how can it benefit you guys? So predict, position, protect, and profits. So step by step, we seem to be creating a mini strategy along the course of the channel. And it's quite interesting to see that you guys have directed us towards that. So you're more geared up towards the tutorials at the moment. So carry on letting me know in the comments what it is that you want. But the 4 Ps, guys, how can you implement this into your trading strategy? So you're predicting, your position, you protect, and your profits. What it does is it allows you to take a step back. If you're just looking at the charts for the first time, you wake up in the morning and your strategy is coming into play, take a step back, predict where's your position going to be, how are you going to protect it, and where you're going to take profit. So this is basically your risk management, guys. You're looking at the higher time frame, you're predicting what way the market's going to move. You're identifying the trend. You're positioning yourself in the market. So it might be a double top, a double bottom. It might be a doji candle. It could be a 3-bar reversal, whatever the reason for entry is. Overbought stochastic, oversold stochastic, whatever the reason for entry is. You take your position, and then where are you going to protect yourself? Where are you going to take profits? Is your risk to reward going to be high enough? Is it going to be worth taking? Because you need to build these things into your trading strategy, and these things will tailor your trading strategy going forward. You'll find what works best for you and what doesn't work best for you, and you'll amend it to suit, because you do need to be adaptable in trading. You need to be structured, but you do need to be adaptable as well. So if you implement the 4 Ps, that does help you take a step back. And that's pretty much wrapped it all up for today, guys. So thanks very much for watching. Appreciate you all. We've hit over 2,500 subscribers, so appreciate every single one of you guys. If you're new and you do like the content, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share it, guys. It helps the algorithm. Appreciate you all. Enjoy your week.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.